Students, good morning, class 11th. In a previous worksheet, I had given you instruction regarding making file, and some of the students they are asking me how we can make file. In that, I had given you option. You have to make a file. Choose some of the asanas from yoga, and you have to make or you have to choose a game also. For example, if you like to play volleyball or you know volleyball best or football, you can make or choose one game also, or you can take a field event athletics also from a field events, that is from the athletic section. You can write about track and field, but you should know what you are making, because this will help you during your practical session. Because in first term 30 number will be of your practical marks, 70 will be of your paper, and 30 marks will be regarding your practical. In a previous class we had came to understood about behavior change stages for physical activities, and before doing anything and after doing anything, planning, activeness and maintenance. These are the 5 important points of behavior change stages for physical activity. It is correlated with this heading, creating leader through physical education. How we can create a leader or a leadership quality in a students through physical education. Future of physical education is very bright. From the ancient time, value to a physical education is given at a very highest level. We had came to know from a certain ancient sports and games. Why there were ancient sports and games? Because that is directly related to physical activities, or nowadays we can say physical education. The present day leaders will have to include appropriate qualities in a student who are entering in this profession, that means physical education. The present day leaders of physical education should adopt the right path. What is the right path? To give you a right knowledge about physical education. The leaders in the field of physical education have both type of qualities. Qualities and acquired qualities. Innate qualities and acquired qualities. The qualities that we are having already and the qualities that we adopt from someone or adopt while our experiences. Through the program of physical education, the acquired qualities can be created and developed successfully. Leadership can be created, and leader in the field of physical education have ample opportunities are available in number of universities, institutes, colleges and schools. We can develop the qualities of leadership in schools, colleges and universities. The first point related to this heading is The foremost point for work in the area is to analyze which leadership skills are already well developed among the students. That is the first point. When we prepare our team, we find certain things. That child is knows something about game or whether we have to start from the beginning. We analyze. In the same way, leadership skills is there. That leadership skills are already well developed among the students and which needs further development, or he has a quality, she has a quality, or needs to be brushed up, needs a little push to develop leadership qualities. After identifying certain students in a school, class, or a team, leadership skills you want to improve the most. There are certain type of leadership. Leader in a team, in a class, or it may be in a society also. Decide whether you want to have more students actively involved in leadership activity or you want to give a chance to a leader to further improve their leadership skill. We have to find it and we search. That's why house captains are made, school captains are there, monitors are there. These are the very small responsibility, but they are very effective. Other than that, students a range of leadership roles such as supervising and managing sports activity. We make a we make school team and we make a from that student we make one of them are responsible for a school captain. When we recognize leader, we improve the skills. Even we select a group of leaders, those who are very good in leadership qualities. After that, we try to give them a name or recognize them. If they play well, sometimes the trophies are given. Sometimes you had seen in a cricket IPL, a orange cap is given or the uniform. There is a certain type of indication that we can recognize that he is the good one. And one of the main important is that we should have faith on them. Is one of the important necessary to have faith and confidence in student. The last step is to improve leadership skill through physical education is to start again. Again we have to start those activities, make proper analysis of success and then look at the areas where there are a scope for further improvement. Always there is a need of improvement. Always there is a new group. Again now those students who are in class 12 they will pass out. Class 11th will go to class 12th. So there is a need of improvement. Hope you had understand the meaning of leadership, how we can prepare leadership and what are the areas that we can improve in leadership qualities. Now the next heading is meaning, objective and types of adventure sports. What are adventure sports? Many of you do not know the meaning of adventure sports. Sports are different, but adventure related to sports are different. Adventure sports, you had seen people going out for camping and hiking in a remote areas of Uttarakhand is one of the best place for adventure sports. Rafting is one of the simplest entertainment for adventure sports. What is adventure sports? What is adventure sports? Adventure sports are those that involves extraordinary speed, scaling height, physical exertion, and death-defying stunts. The, this is the meaning of sports. All these are needed in trekking, base jumping, hang gliding, because they need extra physical labor. Adventure sports can be defined as outdoor sports or activities in which the participant complete in natural environment more against himself than against other. If you had done rafting, you are very well aware about the strength of a river and the strength of a human being. If you had not done, you will get a chance in the past couple of years to enjoy rafting. That is, I am giving you example because it is the nearest in Rishikesh. You can take part in it. Objective of adventure sports. What are the objectives of adventure sports? To develop self-confidence. You will involve in adventure sports. You will develop your self-confidence. It is one of the main objectives. Individuals who engage in adventure sports complete with themselves and therefore have a great sense of achievement. Try to do this and you will come to know, and it is very important to use abundant energy. As you will take part, you have to use your whole energy to complete that task, to encourage creativity, to improve social relation, because you are not the only one, so many are taking part in that activity. And the best example is rock climbing. There are so many things in rock climbing and so many people that you come together, share your reviews, you ask how you can do, how is that, and help tendency, fortitude and tolerance are developed. To tolerate something, you can develop this skill. Types of adventure sports. There are various types of adventure sports: rock climbing, trekking, river rafting, mountaineering, surfing and paragliding.